High up in the Himalayas, where the air is thin and the mountains stand as silent sentinels, lies a stretch of road that promises both spiritual serenity and the dash of mind-bending mystery. This is the journey from Leh out to two of Ladakh's most unforgettable landmarks, the sacred Gurudwara Pathar Sahib and the gravity-defying Magnetic Hill. Get ready to witness moments where history, faith, and illusion merge seamlessly.
Our first stop takes us about 25 kilometers from Leh to a place of deep devotion, Gurudwara Pathar Sahib. Built in the 16th century, this revered shrine commemorates the visit of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism. The most incredible feature here is the sacred boulder preserved inside. Legend has it that a cruel demon, disturbed by the Guru's presence, rolled a massive rock down the hill to crush him. But a miracle occurred. The stone softened like wax upon touching Guru Nanak's body, leaving the clear impressions of his head, shoulders, and back, and a footprint from the demon's angry kick. Today, this Gurudwara is not just a place of Sikh worship, it is also highly respected by local Buddhists who refer to Guru Nanak as Lama Nanak. Maintained by the Indian Army, it is a powerful symbol of faith, courage, and selfless service, where everyone is welcome to share the simple but heartfelt langar meal.
Every few turns, you just want to stop, take a breath, and soak it all in. There's hardly any traffic, just you, your bike, and the sound of the wind. As you get closer to Pathar Sahib, the peace in the air feels stronger. Just a short distance from the Gurudwara, the mystery begins. We've reached Magnetic Hill, perched at an altitude of 14,000 feet. This spot is famous for a single, unbelievable trick. You can turn off your vehicle's engine, put it in neutral, and watch it roll uphill. For centuries, people have been baffled. Was it a powerful magnetic force, or perhaps a straightaway to heaven, as local folklore suggests? The scientific explanation is slightly less dramatic, but just as intriguing. It's an optical illusion. The surrounding landscape, with its obstructed horizon, tricks your mind into perceiving a downward slope as an upward slope. What looks like a gravity-defying climb is actually your vehicle rolling downhill. Regardless of the science, the experience is thrilling.
From a sacred stone etched with divine history to a road that bends the rules of physics, the journey from Leh to Gurudwara Pathar Sahib and Magnetic Hill is a microcosm of Ladakh itself, mysterious, deeply spiritual, and utterly magnificent. It's a route that challenges your perceptions and fills your heart with wonder. Thank you for watching. Wishing you peace, prayers, and endless open roads. Until the next ride.